ever broke up, I'd never be sad, thinking about everything that we had if we ever broke up. If we ever broke up, I'd call your dad and tell him all the shittiest things you've said if we ever broke up. Boy, don't get emotional, cause it's not personal, it's just the way it goes. If we ever broke up, I'd never be sad, thinking about everything that we had if we ever broke up. You're living in Wonderland. If you think I'll understand all the shit you put me through. If girls in white dresses and big winter weddings is something